Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. There's a question we want to pose, and this has to do with Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Is the EFCC alleged secret investigation of Sanwo-Olu linked to the president's son's ambition to become the governor of Lagos State in 2027? Are the two linked together? That's what we try to unravel in this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. In October, a legal action was instituted by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State, against the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission over an alleged plan to arrest and prosecute him after his tenure in 2027. His tenure, of course, we know will end. He will serve his maximum 8 years by May 28, 2027. In an affidavit deposed in support of the suit, Martha Kanu, a lawyer, said that the governor informed her about the facts of the case during a teleconference meeting. Emphasizing it, during a teleconference meeting. I know this is why I'm emphasizing that the lawyer said that they were instructed to file the case during a teleconference meeting, which means the lawyers have evidence that the governor directed them to carry out this matter. The lawyer claimed that the anti-graft agency is making surreptitious plan to arrest some of Sanwo-Olu's aides and family members based on spurious allegations of diversion of funds. Kano accused the Economic and Financial Crime Commission officials of mounting pressure on some of Sanwo-Olu's aides to make incriminating statements against the governor. Now, when this story broke that Sanwo-Olu had sued EFCC, people were shocked. Of course, not surprising, given that Sanwo-Olu is the godson of the president. But a few days later, the Lagos State government said that Governor Sanwo-Olu did not instruct anyone to file a case against the Economic and Financial Crime Commission. In a statement by Lawal Pedro, Lagos State Attorney General, he said the state will investigate how the case came to be without the knowledge of the governor. Without the knowledge of the governor. But you had in the reports, as was published by several newspapers, including cable news, what have you, the lawyer said that the governor instructed them to file the matter during a teleconference. In other words, they have evidence that the governor instructed them. But the Lagos State Attorney General reaction was that they were unaware that they will investigate how they carry out. Somebody went to court to institute a case on behalf of the governor. Now, since October, we're about to end November now. Lagos State government said that they will investigate the matter. Okay, the Attorney General said that the state will investigate how the case came to be without the knowledge of the governor. Up till now, we have not heard anything from the governor, because it will be unethical for a lawyer to go and file a case on behalf of a governor without his instruction. There should be disciplinary action. Even Sanwo-Olu himself is supposed to take action against the man. Because what message is that lawyer trying to say? That there is a friction between the president and the governor. But from what we have seen so far, there had been no evidence that that investigation they said they would do, that they have done it. Because that ought to be a serious matter that they can resolve the matter and even call for the arrest of the lawyer and his team who went and filed a case on his behalf. Of course, they did not do that from all indication. Because if there is such a thing, it would have been obvious in the media. So they have not yet investigated the man, the people that went to court on their behalf. But the people that went to court said that they were instructed during a teleconference with the governor. Now, while Nigerians were still waiting for the outcome of the investigation, which has not been made public to date, about a week and a half ago, precisely around November 11, 2024, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission now went to court, to the Federal High Court in Abuja, and asked the Federal High Court in Abuja not to grant the relief sought by Governor Sanwo-Olu in his fundamental rights enforcement suit, describing it as speculative. In other words, the governor himself had not even instructed that the case be withdrawn, or whoever put that case to go and withdraw it, that EFCC had to, has to go to the court and tell the court not to have any regard for it, because the fundamental rights enforcement suit that Sanwo-Olu was seeking for was speculative. Now, it therefore means that from what the lawyer said, that the governor might have instructed the lawyer to file that matter, despite the denial of Lagos State government. Now, this begs the question, why would Sanwo-Olu, who is the godson of the president, be afraid? There are speculations that Sanwo-Olu being investigated could be to put him in check, to ensure that the president's son emerges the next governor of Lagos State. Which now begs the question, is Sanwo-Olu opposed to the governor's son, the president's son, becoming the next governor of Lagos State? Is he among those opposing it? Is he among those opposing it? Because there's a need to be able to figure out why would Sanwo-Olu be scared of leaving power in 2027? Is it part of a process to put him in check? If he is to have any questions about this president's son taking over from him, is he among those opposing it? Because already the process of making Seyi Tinubu the next governor of Lagos State is increasing. The process is increasing right from the day that the coalition of Nigerian youths, the coalition of Nigerian youth leaders, the umbrella body of all the youth groups drawn from the 6 geopolitical zones, stated that Seyi Tinubu should become the next governor of Lagos State. And they were claiming that he will be able to do well as his father did as Lagos State governor, and now he's the president. In other words, they are saying that leadership is in the genes of the Tinubus, and it's passed down from one generation to another. But there have been opposition to it, of course, especially from the People's Democratic Party, in a statement where they said that PDP cannot, they said that Lagos cannot serve father and son. Okay? While the Lagos youths under the aegis of Coalition of Lagos Coalition of Lagos Indigenous Youths, say it has rejected the endorsement of Seyi Tinubu, saying that non-indigens should not be allowed to govern Lagos State. That's their own position on that. But the question is, why is EFCC secretly investigating Sanwo-Olu, as alleged by his lawyers in the affidavit they deposed to in the court? Is it to keep him in check? Is he to keep him in check because he's opposed to the president's son taking over from him? Because there's a lot of unanswered question on why Sanwo-Olu would like to need legal cover and protection 3 years before the end of his tenure. He denied that he never instructed those people, but he has not shown evidence that he didn't instruct those people by investigating them, by going to court quickly to withdraw that matter, to the level that EFCC had to go to court to tell the court to disregard that matter. And the people that instructed the matter say that the governor instructed them through teleconference. Now, if they are lying, there's enough evidence to rent them in, so that they will be they will use it to make a statement for other busybody lawyers who dabble in things that don't concern them. But they are yet to make an example of these lawyers that file fundamental human rights protection case on his behalf. And the lawyer said that EFCC had been harassing the aides of the governor and asking them questions to incriminate their principal over alleged corruption and what have you. The thing had become very apparent that the governor now seeks legal protection. So that's a very important question. How do you see this? Do you think there's a link between the EFCC investigation of Sanwo-Olu and the president's son's ambition to become the next governor of Lagos State? Seyi becoming the next governor of Lagos State, as far as I can see it, is no longer speculative. Already, when you see several NGOs coming out from all parts of Nigeria endorsing him, you can bet that the plan had been concluded to ensure that he is the next governor of Lagos State. And of course, it's a very strong possibility. Since 1999, when we returned to this democracy after decades of military rule, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has become the godfather of the godfathers. Nobody has been as successful in godfathership than Tinubu in Nigeria's history, unchallenged. Not even First Republic politicians, including Chief Obafemi Awolowo, could be able to say that they put in people into authority for such a long time, like Tinubu had done to date. So in other words, if he could put others, why not his son? The Lagos indigenes or the indigenous youths of Lagos can say what they want. But under the present INEC, or the INEC as it is structured, I don't think there's anything stopping Seyi from becoming the next governor of Lagos State in 2027. That's my take. Whatever is your position, Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel or have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.